Dear all, welcome to a new chapter, Linear Equations in Two Variables. Let us see the introduction. The first term, variable. Variables represents an unknown quantity, usually represented by small letters A, B, C to Z you can use. And sometimes we also use some symbols like the shape of a square or a triangle or a circle according to the situations. Now let's see the next term, expression. An expression will have one or more terms. For example, 2x is an expression. 3 by 5k is an expression. Or 2m plus 6k is another expression. These are all expressions. So expressions can have one or more terms, and the terms can be separated either by a plus or a minus. Details of these terms, these words are explained in period 5, chapter 2. Let's see the next word, equation. From the word itself, equation means you will have an equal sign. So we can say an expression equal to another expression. For example, 3y is equal to 12. This is an equation because you have an equal sign. You have expression on the left side and another expression on the right side. So this is called an equation. Now, what is the meaning of the solution of an equation? Solution means the value that should be taken by the variable in an equation. For example, in this case, x plus 5 is equal to 8. We can find the value of x by transforming plus 5 to the other side. Plus 5 can be removed and rewrite as minus 5. So we get the answer, x is equal to 8 minus 5, which is 3. So x equal to 3 is a solution. So solution means the value that should be taken by the variable in that equation. Let's see, linear equation in one variable. So you have to see word by word. Linear means the highest power of the variable should be 1, or the degree of the equation should be 1. Power, highest power is 1. It should be an equation, which means you will have an equal sign, and there should only be one variable. This is an example. You have one variable, the power is 1, so it is linear. This is an equation because you have an equal sign. So 2m plus 4 equal to 10. And what is the solution of this one, of this equation? So you can move it to the other side. Plus 4 can be changed to minus 4. So we can write 2m is equal to 6 times 2 changes to divide by 2. So m is equal to 3. So this is the solution. Again, solution means the value of that variable in that equation. Now, what is the meaning of linear equation in two variables? Again, it will be linear, the power will be 1. It will be an equation, so it will have an equal sign. Two variables. Look at this example, 3m plus 2n is equal to 38. Power is 1. You have two variables and you have an equal sign. Now, what about the solution of this one? There are many methods to do this, to find the solutions if you have two variables and two equations. You can graph, you can substitute, you can eliminate, many methods are there. But here, how do you find the value of two variables in one equation? The best method is to try and check for each number. What will be the value if m is 5 and n is 1? What will be if m is 10 and n is 2? Like that, we have to keep trying to get the answer 38. So that's what we have to look into, the main objective of this lesson. Let's see linear equations. So we have already explained what is the linear equation. It should be an equation, and the power should be, highest power of the equation should be 1. Highest power means we say degree. So degree of the variable should be 1. And how do we write an equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Means you have to write the term with x first, then the term with y, and the term without x and y, means the constant. And on the other side of the equation, we will only have 0. Let's see an example. Here, this is a linear equation because the powers are 1 for x and y. And we have we have to rewrite this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we have the x term first, so we don't have to switch anything. And we have the second term. So if you want, you can rewrite it in this form, but it's okay even to write minus 3y, it's the same. But on the right side, we need to get a 0 and constant should be moved back. So the most important thing is don't forget to switch the sign. This is a plus 4 changes to minus 4, as you know, when you transform from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation. And on the right side, we are left with 0. So what is the value of a? This is a, which is plus. This is b. And the last one, including the sign, this is c. So we can rewrite a is equal to plus 5 or 5, b is equal to negative 3, and c is equal to negative 4. Let's see another example. 5x is equal to 11. This is an equation with one variable. But first of all, we can rewrite it in the form of two variables. Just insert a 0 with the second variable equal to 11. This is the given equation. We have to write it in the form of ax plus by plus c. It will be negative 11 because plus 11 changes to negative 11 equal to 0. So again, here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to negative 11. This is how you can rewrite and find out the values of the constants a, b, and c. Let's see another example. Write equations in two variables. Here there is only one variable, but as I told you, we can rewrite in the form of two variables by inserting a 0 plus 0y equal to negative 2. And negative 2 should be taken back, so it changes to positive 2. And what are the values of a, b, c? A is 1 because there is the coefficient of x is 1. B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 2. Again, another equation without x. So first we have to rewrite with x. 0x plus 2y equal to 15. Sorry. And we can rewrite it 0x plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. So A is 0, B is 2, and C is negative 15. Good job. Now let's start the exercise 4.1. First question. The cost of a notebook, which should be represented by the letter X, is twice the cost of a pen. So we have to highlight the words, important words. Notebook and pen are the objects here, and it is written twice. So let us see. So notebook is represented by the cost of the notebook. Cost of notebook is X rupees or X dollars or whatever. And let cost of the pen be represented by Y. We have to use it because it's given to you. Now, the highlight of this question is to look into this one. Notebook. So cost of the notebook, which is X, is means equal to twice. Twice means 2 times. 2 times the cost of the pen means 2y. X is equal to 2y. Write a linear equation in two variables. So this is an equation in two variables, but we have to write it in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first of all, we have to write x. So we have x's here. The next one is plus 2y. When you transform, it will be negative 2y. Plus, there is no constant, so we can rewrite it as a 0, which is equal to 0. This is in the standard form, or in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1 because there is no number. The coefficient is 1 there. Then b is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to 0. Let's see the next question. Write in the form of ax plus by plus c, and we have to find the values of a, b, and c in each of the following questions. The equation here is 2x plus 3y is equal to 3.95 bar. 5 bar means the number 5 is repeated. Anyway, we will copy the same thing, but we have to write it in the form of ax plus by plus c. So ax is in the given form. We don't have to change anything. But plus 3.9 changes to minus 3.95 bar equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax plus by plus c. Even though we say plus c, it is plus minus. So the value of a is 2. This is a. This is b. And this with the sign is c. So a is equal to 2. B is equal to 3 plus 3 or 3. And c is equal to negative 3.95 bar. Okay, let's see the next question. It's in the standard form. We have x, we have y, and we have the constant term. So we can write it x minus, I'm going to rewrite it in this form. Because 1 times y is y. Why I write this? Because we can separate all the constants easily. Plus 1, a is equal, this is a, this is b, and this is your c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1 by 5, and c is equal to negative 10. Excellent. Now we have to rewrite by taking 6 to the left side. So negative 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So here we have a is negative 2, b is positive 3, and c is negative 6. Easy, right? Now, in this question number 4, we have to take y to the left side, so which is negative 3y. And we don't have a constant, so we can insert a 0, which is equal to 0 again. So x, the value of, or the coefficient of x is 1. So a is 1, b is negative 3, and c is 0. Again, we have to take it back, so we can rewrite 2x plus 5y. Don't forget, we have to change the sign to plus. Plus a 0 is equal to 0. So a is 2, b is 5, and c is 0. Again, we can rewrite 3x. Here y term is missing, so we can insert a 0y plus 2 equal to 0. A is 3, b is 0, and c is 2. Here x term is missing, so we can insert 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. A is 0, b is 1, c is negative 2. Again, we have to take it back, so it is negative 2x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. A is negative 2, b is 0, c is positive 5. Just have a look at it. The important thing is we have to write x terms first. Doesn't matter where is it in the given question, but you have to rearrange in a form that you will get x in the beginning. Then y, then the constant, and all the right side should be 0. And don't forget to take the negative if any of the constants are negative or the coefficients are negative. Let's see the homework for today. Write an equation with x and rewrite it as an equation in the form of 2 variables. Means the second variable you can put them as 0y and then rewrite in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Hope this lesson was informative. Thanks for watching and see you in the next period.